Flave City family, what is up? It is Bobby and Erica coming at you in the kitchen. I wanted to do a video about what just happened this week because we just finished low carb keto week and we've seen a little difference in our body. I wanted to kind of summarize what we've been eating all week because I kind of noticed that recently we've been eating too many grains. We're a paleo keto household, but sometimes we eat wild rice, brown rice, lentil pasta, but we've been going overboard and having too much of those and too many beans. And Desi noticed that her tummy was bloated. I noticed a little bit of an energy zap. So starting Sunday of last week, we went keto low carb, like not like strict keto, but definitely low carb diet. And we noticed some differences. Our energy came back. And I think that's the way to go. I'm still going to go back to beans and rice here and there, but not as much as we kind of went overboard with. So I want to walk you through what I've been eating all week long for a low carb diet to help reset your body or to give you some more energy and just show you exactly how easy it can be. You don't have to sacrifice flavor or anything. If you're talking low carb, you got to talk Thrive Market because not only are they the biggest supporter of my channel going on 6 years now, on their website you can search by tons of keto stuff. And the cool thing about Thrive, if you don't know, everything you would get at a grocery store, like a Whole Foods, a Sprouts Farmers Market, a Winn-Dixie, whatever it is cheaper on Thrive Market. You save about $32 per order compared to going to the store. And best of all, the box comes to your door. If you watch me on Instagram stories, I get that box maybe once every 7 to 10 days. We do an unboxing. Right now, they have a sweet promo code that Flave City fans are loving. When you click my link down below in the description box, you get 25% off your entire first order and a free gift with up to a $31 value. One of those free gifts is amazing. It's a bottle of Primal Kitchen avocado oil and Primal Kitchen ranch, and it's 30 days risk-free. So just in case you think it's not the bee's knees like I think it is, you cancel, you get your membership fee back, but try them out. You're gonna love them using my link down below. Okay. We're gonna start with breakfast here. I used to always, as you guys know, eat my quinoa breakfast bowl. I love it so much I put it in the best-selling cookbook that y'all are loving. But I kind of got tired of it and I swapped away from that. You know, I kind of switched eating that. And now I'm eating the most nutrient-dense, delicious keto breakfast of eggs, toast, and cream cheese and nut butter. And you're like, toast, what is he talking about? Well, I'll show you the keto toast that I eat. But it starts with eggs. These are pasture-raised eggs. You guys know I love them, but I always get pasture-raised and organic. So one of the most common questions I get is, are the pasture-raised eggs at Trader Joe's okay? Are the pasture-raised eggs at Sam's Club's okay? Yes, any kind of pasture-raised egg is far superior to a normal egg, like a cage-free or free-range. Those are just marketing terms. But the reason why I go one step up and get organic is because the chickens still have a feed, a supplemental feed, and unless it's organic, it's GMO. But I talked about it in the video the other day. Go to Whole Foods, because Thrive Market doesn't sell eggs. Get the 18-pack of Vital Farms Organic. And on the Vital Farms website, just Google search Vital Farms coupon. There's a $2 manufacturer coupon, so 18 organic, pasture-raised eggs for $7.99. It's a fantastic deal. So luckily, because Baba Dani, Desi's mom, is staying with us, she makes me a French-style omelet every morning with that. And then she toasts me one of each. Check these out, Erica. I get one keto cinnamon raisin bread slice and one paleo cheese bread, meaning there's no cheese, it's actually nutritional yeast, which is AKA vegan Parmesan. These are not only fantastic, it's a Florida-based company, woman-owned. What up, Jordan, in Clearwater, Florida. Fantastic stuff because you can get cheaper keto bread at Costco. You can get it cheaper at Aldi. They have the zero net carb bread. But if you read those ingredients, it has wheat and gluten. It's not organic. I believe that keto diet should be grain-free, gluten-free. And the oils in this is coconut oil, best-in-class oils. The ones at the store are soybean oil, processed oil. That one at Costco, the Sola bread, has olive pumice oil, which actually, and Erica had it the other day, and what happened?
In my stomach, and listen, I'm pregnant, it's hard to tell when I'm bloated. I was bloated.
Her stomach blew up like a balloon. It's already 9 months pregnant anyway. So that's not the way to do clean keto. So I'd say if you go to Whole Foods, because once again, the Thrive Market doesn't have it, Base Culture and Unbuns are the cleanest, most Bobby approved breads on the market. So I toast those, but don't put it in the toaster. Griddle it in a ceramic pan. That way it gets nice and fluffy and crunchy. And this is life. Okay, this is chive cheese, but it's almond-based cream cheese. And if you see the net carbs here, it's really tough to see here, but it's 2 grams of total carbs, 1 gram of fiber. It's 1 net carb here for best-in-class dairy-free almond cream cheese with really good ingredients. All cream cheese is going to be keto unless you get flavored ones like strawberry, but we don't do much dairy in the household, and these guys do it great. And then the most keto nut butters are going to be like almond butter. Peanuts have a little more, but I've been seriously crushing the pecan butter. I got it from Costco, and then I tagged these guys in an Instagram story, and they sent me a bunch of variety packs, which was really nice. The one they sent me is not keto, it's sweet potato pie with maple syrup and sweet potatoes. It's actually really good. I'll let you taste it afterwards, Erica. I smear that on that. I smear this on the cheese bread. That's breakfast. It's low carb, it's keto, it's delicious. I have my green tea with my, hold on, every single morning. You guys see me have it. I have my green tea, organic, loose leaf, with my Thrive Market collagen peptides. I do 2 of these every day. Keeps the doctor away, makes your joints and connections feel really good. Fantastic stuff. So that's what I have for breakfast. I'm gonna put this away, then we'll move on to lunch and to snacks. Okay, lunchtime is easy for low carb and keto. I'm kind of a broken record on lunch. If it works for me, I keep going to it. And my keto turkey sandwich with chicharrones is a winner. It starts with turkey. Now, if you're a Costco shopper, you have access to the best quality organic sliced deli meat turkey for a fraction of the price of the grocery store. And this is the one we have in the South. It's a Dijon Watson organic turkey. The price is unbelievable. If you're up in the north, it's Plainville organic. You got to get organic turkey, otherwise it's factory farm GMO. This is the same quality as like an Applegate organic, but it's 50% cheaper than Applegate, which is crazy. So I get this, and I get a ton of them. There was a little bit of a flash sale the other week on these at Costco, and I bought a bunch and froze them. But here's how you do the keto sandwich. Eric and I were just talking about these. These are life. These are cauliflower thin sandwiches from Outer Isle. And if you look at the ingredients first and foremost, clean as a whistle. There's cauliflower in there. I mean, I wish the egg were organic, but what are you gonna do? But look at the carbs. I believe, is it 1 net carb or 2?
1.
1 net carb per. You toast these in a 415-degree oven for about 6 minutes. They get crispy and delicious. You slather on Primal Kitchen avocado oil mayonnaise, or chosen food is good too. And then I love this. This is harissa. It's a North African, slightly spicy red pepper spread. But even though it's red peppers, which are high in carbs, it's not. A 1 tablespoon serving has 1 gram of carb. So that combined with the turkey is such a great sandwich. You don't miss the bread, you don't miss the tortilla, the pita, or anything like that. It's a go-to sandwich 5 days a week. I have it with chicharrones. I love my chicharrones. They don't have Epic actually at Sam's Club or at Costco. You gotta go to BJ's for that, but this is not the BJ's one. I got this in my Thrive Market box. It's nice because I give these ones to Rose because they're the Himalayan pink salt, but they're baked. So they are 40% less fat. But to be honest, you really can't tell the difference. And the ingredients are best in class because they're subbing out refined processed bleach salt with Himalayan pink salt. This is the official snack of Rose. She loves that. And then sometimes I warm up some kettle and fire bone broth, which is fantastic for the collagen, the gelatin, all those reasons why I take the Thrive Market collagen back there. And then if I want something refreshing, this is an Elgin, Illinois-based company. 2 brothers own it. It's cold pressed essential oil water, and it just has essential oil of lemon, the peel, and of the juice. It's really, really clean and delicious. That's it. I never get tired of that one. It's fantastic. And then after lunch, I go into snacks and stuff like that. But before I go into snacks, this qualifies as a snack. It also qualifies as dessert sometimes, or for breakfast. If you want what I'm calling the best keto and paleo cereal for yourself or for your kids, Thrive Market makes this organic coconut cereal. I swear to you, it tastes like crispy coconut meat. The ingredients are crazy. It's just coconut water, coconut meat, and palm starch, not palm oil. But look at the macros. It's low carb, it's paleo. Give this to kids. They will love this. There's really nothing else on the market like this. There is a company called Nuco who makes their version. When you use my promo link down below, add that to your cart. You get 25% off your first order. I put all my favorites for Thrive Market in the description box. I also get the Thrive Market shelf-stable organic almond milk because there's 1 emulsifier as opposed to 3 or 4, like in the grocery store. But those flakes are amazing. But then after lunch, I always need something a little sweet. This to me is a game changer. Check this out. Keto cups. How much do you like these, Erica?
I am obsessed.
Okay.
I'm gonna eat them after this video.
You're more than welcome to. I'm making the 9-month pregnant lady hold the camera. She could have as many keto cups as she wants. This is like the cleanest version of a Reese's peanut butter cup. But look at these ingredients. You'll never see something like this on another product. It's 100% keto and diabetic. There's like one net carb, and the ingredients are epic. And if you want an actual chocolate bar, this is their nut butter bar. That is fantastic. This will satisfy anyone's chocolate craving. It is so good. It's guilt-free. And even if you're not a keto or diabetic, you want that because there's no added sugar. It's crazy. And then for snacks, right, the best paleo or keto snacks are good quality grass-fed beef bars. I like Chomps, but I really like Epic. And here's a brand new flavor. This is beef barbacoa, 100% grass-fed, grass-finished. And the macros on the back tell me that there is 1 gram of net carb in this. This is the kind of stuff I always have in my car because when I go do the grocery store videos, I'm out for hours. I pop these as soon as I'm done with the video to get my energy back. Those are fantastic. So lunch is done, snacks are done. Let's move over to dinner. Wine, keto wine, and that's your keto low carb full day of eating. Okay, I'm actually excited about dinner tonight because it's going to be a low carb stir fry. But we've been rocking low carb dinners all week. We did steak and mash one night. We did whole roasted fish because there was a big sale at Thrive Market or at Whole Foods for that. But tonight we're doing low carb noodle and steak stir fry, or you can do it with chicken too. You've seen me talk about these in the past, but Pasta Zero by Nasoya is the best keto, low carb, diabetic friendly noodle. I had Erica go to Publix because they didn't have it at my local store here. These are great because for 2 reasons. Number one, I mean, look at the net carbs here. Let me see if I can see here. So it is
2 net carbs.
2 net carbs per serving, but the main ingredient here is konjac flour, which is high in fiber. So it's a prebiotic. It feeds the gut bacteria in your stomach. These are great. Just keep in mind, in our first cookbook, Keto Meal Prep, and in one of the recipes here for 5-ingredient stir fry, you have to cook out the excess moisture. These are swimming in water. Put them plain, naked, into a ceramic pan and cook them for 8 minutes until the steam starts to go away. Then they dry off. Then I get them out of the pan. I'll put a bunch of vegetables in tonight. I have mushrooms, I have peppers, which aren't the most keto, but they still are paleo. But the kicker for tonight also is I'm gonna marinate the steak in and use a stir fry sauce, this. Erica turned me on to this. This is the most amazing coconut aminos garlic sauce. It's from Coconut Secret. They actually invented coconut aminos. And this in their teriyaki sauce is fantastic. And they use real ingredients instead of tons of sugar and processed oils. So I'll marinate the beef in that. And I actually have really cool beef here. I got a bunch from Bel Campo. They wanted Erica and I to try out some steaks, so they sent some over. There is grass-fed beef on Thrive Market, which I tried. I didn't love it, but what I love and what I'm using tomorrow night, or Donnie's using tomorrow night, is this. If you get one thing and one thing only from Thrive Market, add this to your cart. This is their Cook's Venture, Arkansas, pasture-raised, heritage heirloom breed, slow-grown chicken. This pasture-raised chicken is by far the best chicken I've ever had. They have a box on their website. It has about 15.5 pounds of different cuts of chicken. It's about $7.80 a pound, but when you click my link down below for 25% off your first order, the price goes below $6 a pound. Try that pasture-raised chicken on Thrive Market. I'm telling you, you will see night and day the difference between that and the stuff at the grocery store. So we'll mix that together for a stir fry. But tomorrow, Donnie makes this low-carb cabbage stew that is just cabbage, San Marzano tomatoes, and then chicken. And then a ton of ghee, right? The Thrive Market ghee is fantastic too. And it braises and then bakes, and it's fantastic. But these noodles are your answer to low-carb noodles. This and Erica and I like the Natural Heaven Hearts of Palm pasta. You don't need starchy pasta. These are a great substitute. You just have to know how to cook the water out of the shirataki noodles. So that's it. That's what we've been eating all week long. Obviously, a week is easy to do. You got to start getting more creative after a week, but we needed to cut down on the grains, and we felt the difference, and it's really not that hard. I'll still eat them, but not as much as before. So that is it. That's what we've been eating for a full week of low carb and keto, and it makes a difference. We feel better, tummy's less bloated, all that good stuff. So just gotta monitor what goes in your body and play it by ear. Everyone's body is different. The most important thing, if you want to get a lot of stuff for cheap prices, click my Thrive Market link down below. Get the 25% off your entire first order, the free gift, and it's 30 days risk-free. They got all the goods that the grocery store has, but cheaper. So that is it. I'm going to make Erica stop holding the camera now because she is very tired. She wants to crush the keto cups. But for the whole gang, we'll leave you like we always do. Hashtag keep on cooking. Mad love and peace. Later.